Hello and thanks for watching my online demo on horse portraits. I was asked how I built up the texture of horse fur, so I thought that the best way to show you was on a time lapse so that you can see the colours being layered up and the depth of even a white horse being built up by a number of warm colours underneath. So you can see some of the browns and the greys underneath the final bright white colouring. The detail is lots of layering. You're able to apply different types of pressure. With chalk pastels, the pencils are able to create a fine point, but by pressing harder or lighter you're able to blend or give a fine detail over the top of a base layer. All things you can learn through doing and practicing, of course with a few handy tips and tricks. If you are interested in learning more, please get in touch. I'd love to show you. Meanwhile, please let me know what you think of the video. Thanks for watching.